Hi, my name's Curtis Bobby, and this is my bike check. I got Colt Faith grips with We the People handlebars. I'm not sure what kind, but I know they're We the People. I got a Fit front load stem and 20.75 steering tube or top tube, whatever you want to call it. I got Sunday forks. I think they're morning, but not sure. I got the Fit stock front hub with olive green Alienation rims. For my seat, I got a Odyssey red pivotal seat. I have no seat clamp to afford one. And for my cranks and pedals, sprocket, chain, whatever, I have Fit cranks. They're just stock, nothing special. And a 25 tooth Fit sprocket with Odyssey PC twisted pedals in clear orange. I got a Shadow Conspiracy half-link chain. It runs pretty good. Put it on backwards, looks cooler, I guess. And for my back, I got a 9-tooth driver, Fit stock hub, Alienation back rim, black. For my tires, I got Eastern. There's no Eastern on here somewhere. I guess Eastern. And altogether, my bike weighs probably about 21 to 23 pounds. I haven't really checked, but it's pretty damn light. It's my bike check. Peace.